Hello everyone. In this wireframing tutorial, we'll walk through how to design an online education website using MockFlow WireframePro. To start, add a browser frame as the background. Then create the top information bar using a rectangle. Add a phone icon with a contact number, an email icon with the email address. Login and register links, and social media icons from the MockFlow icon library. Next, create the main header with a logo, navigation menu. Search and cart icons, and a primary CTA button labeled Apply Now. Next, move to the Hero section, which creates a strong first impression and introduces your learning platform. Add a background rectangle, followed by a heading, short description, CTA button labeled Find Courses. And an image placeholder to showcase students or featured courses. Now, create the course categories section by adding a title and heading. Design category cards with an image placeholder or icon, followed by category names such as web development, business, design, or marketing. Duplicate the cards and update the content for the remaining categories. Next, create the statistics section by adding a background rectangle and statistic cards. Include an icon, a number, and supporting text such as 10K plus students, 500 plus courses, 100 plus expert instructors, and 95% course completion rate. Duplicate the cards and customize the remaining statistics. Now, design the About Us section with an image placeholder, title, heading, and short description. Add feature items using icons from the MockFlow icon library to highlight benefits like expert instructors, flexible learning, certified courses, and lifetime course access. Duplicate the feature items and finish the section with a More About Us CTA button. Next, create the Courses section by adding a title and heading. Insert a category filter using the menu bar component. Then design course cards with a course thumbnail, instructor profile image, instructor name, course duration, course title, rating stars, review count, lesson count, and a CTA button labeled Preview the Course. Duplicate the cards, update the content, and add a View All Courses button below. For the student testimonial section, add a title and heading. Create testimonial cards with a student profile image, star ratings, review text, student name, and designation. Duplicate the cards and customize them for additional testimonials. Next, create the Instructors section by adding a heading and instructor cards. Include an image placeholder, instructor name, designation, and a short description. Duplicate the cards and update the content for each instructor. For the blog section, add a title and heading. Reuse the course card layout and replace the content with an image placeholder, article title. Publish date, author name, and a read more link. Duplicate the cards as needed and finish the section with a See All Articles button. Next, design the call to action section by adding a background rectangle, title, heading, image placeholder, and a CTA button labeled Start Learning Now. Finally, create the footer using a background rectangle. Add the logo, a short website description, a Contact Us button, useful link sections. Contact details, social media icons, and finish with a copyright bar at the bottom. Your online education website wireframe is now complete. Replace the image placeholders using the Add Image option and update them from the MockFlow image library. You can also replace the placeholder icons with SVG icons from the MockFlow icon library for a polished look. That wraps up your online education website wireframe. You now have a clear structure to start designing your final website experience.